In this video we will be taking a look at performing a basic cut from start to finish. We'll start by removing the blade cap from the blade and then turning the dial until you reach the settings according to the cardstock you are using. Position that into the blade carriage and drop the locking lever. Remove the protective cover from your sticky mat. Position your cardstock. Using the back edge of the spatula, smooth that down so that there is good adhesion all over that cardstock. This will hold it in place while it's cutting. Now load the sticky mat into the machine underneath the rollers and press the load mat button. Access your pattern as we normally would, and if you are unsure how to do this, please do go back and check out the locating and loading patterns section of this course. For this example I will choose this word here, family. I will drop it down in size a little bit so that I know that it will fit on my cardstock. I will press set to bring it to the pattern layout screen, then OK to get to my exit points, and select cut from the two available options. Next, press the start and stop button and your machine will perform the cut. When the machine has finished cutting, it will give you a confirmation message which you can confirm by tapping OK. Then press the load unload mat button and, using your spatula, ease the cardstock away from the sticky mat. Avoid tugging or tearing at the cardstock, as this may damage your cut. I find that removing the background first helps me get access to the design that I have cut out, and then I can use the spatula to ease that design away from the cutting mat. And there we have it, the finished cut. It's that easy each and every time you come to use the Scan and Cut machine. I would encourage you to practice this though a number of times before moving on to more complex jobs.